Today I would like to answer a few questions you've been sending to me regarding how to structure your practice or how to structure your dance lesson if you're a teacher. So, what I believe you have to always keep in mind your final product, and then taking that final product, you will back engineer all the way down to the point zero. So, what I mean by that? So, our final product, it's, let's call it 5 dance being performed on the competition with the fast music. So that's as complete as you can be. And as you perform these 5 dances, obviously we try to look as good as we can, I would say, I don't know, winning even. But just being there performing, that's a great goal. Now we try to take step down. What can be step down from that if we back engineering? It's, let's say, dancing 5 dance with the fast music with your partner at the studio. Now let's take another step down. It's dancing 5 dances with the partner, but in a slow music. Then take a step down. It's dancing 5 dance with the partner, no music, just the count. Then step down. It's dancing one of the dance slowly, no music. Taking step down is actually doing the sections of your choreography, small sections. Then we take another step down, it's just doing basic for this particular dance. And then we take another step down, doing just only exercises which will prepare your body for dancing. So for me, this point zero, it's actually doing those, tiny exercises. So how I would structure choreography or lesson, I would always start a few minutes, depends on the student's level or depends on your level if you are learning yourself. You do, let's say, 5 minutes out of, let's say, 45 minutes lesson or practice session. 5 minutes, do some basic exercises. What it could be, just standing straight, pointing foot, straightening your knee, using, just some technical things like pendulums, working on chest or working on rotation, just basic simple moves. Then choose the dance, let's say it's rumba, and do basic walks. So step number 1 is just exercises to warm your body up for the correct movements. The second step, it's to do basic walk of that particular dance. Let's say we do a few basics of rumba. Which basics to do? Do basics which you use the most at your choreography. Then next, we're gonna take a few sections from your choreography and dance them, just a section, small sections. Then next step, we're gonna do dancing choreography, but no music, slowly with the count. Very good. The next step is gonna do the same one dance choreography, we're gonna dance with music. So this for me will be a completed step 1 out of, let's say, 5 dances. And I strongly recommend within one practice session or teaching lesson, you have to, if you know, of course, 5 dances, you have to at the end at least go through everything, not just stuck in one dance. But that will be a good structure for you. And to make it more efficient, and let's say to get a new skills, choose just one subject. Let's say you watch some YouTube video, somebody explain, or you took lesson from someone, and you have this particular quality, let's say, I don't know, straightening your knee, or how to use your chest or hip action. But let's say it's using your chest in rumba, or that could be the same secret for everything. And just only do exercises, chest, only focus about the chest. Then do your basics, only focus on the chest movement. Then you do your choreography with the slow music, only focus on chest. Then do choreography with the fast music, only focus on chest. Then in this case you will rehearse and can grow that new skill. And because the dance is multi-layers, so to look interesting you have to have a few layers. So we're gonna add 1 layer each time, and then you do the same with another dance. Let's say do cha-cha-cha, the same exercise. Choose, of course, subject, always choose some good subject. Let's say straightening of the knee, and then do exercises could be a couple minutes, then do basic of cha-chas. Don't jump into routine right away. Then do routine slowly with the just counts. Then try to do routine with the slow music, and then at the end do the fast music. Always focus on the same subject. And the next day you came, you can change subject and go through the 5 dance like that. And in this way, I think this always will be productive, and it's fun and interesting way to practice or to teach.